just hit 500 subscribers, and as you can see, my 500 subscriber would be
JDL Productions. Well, actually, it was my other account, but still.
For those who haven't seen, he has a non-alarm based channel as well. And to celebrate, let's do an unboxing of an oldie but goodie. I already went ahead and cut the tape. I got this off eBay. They still have 10 available if you want one of these. But, yeah.
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah, there's a couple other people on YouTube that have the same device. I mean. Sorry about the bad view. There we go. It's in this. Hello!
A lot of people.
Okay, let me get the package out of here. It's in this bubble wrap, and oh, I can see what it is. I can see it already. Let's take it out. Oh, there we go. I have my finger. There we go. Look at that. This is a BRK 1200 smoke alarm. And as you can see, it's got an escape light on it. Okay. Open this up. Ow. Okay. And here's the inside of it. Piezo horn in your metal ionization chamber. And here's the escape light. And here's your test button, which is the dome test button. It's got an LED too. Well, the button is. Uh-oh, the button on this is looks like it's stuck down.
Well, that's how the one on mine is. It's like kind of like it's kind of like stuck in the cover, but I can still press the button.
Let's see what else is here. Here's the manual for it. Got the old. Whoops! And I just saw something else in there. Let me see what this is. The warning sign. Okay, get that all out of the way.
Does yours come with a manual?
Yeah, it does.
The one I got didn't come with a manual. For some reason.
Oops. Get the battery from one of my other alarms, and I need another 9-volt. I have one somewhere. I guess I'll take this one.
That was pretty bad, but mine didn't come with a manual.
It does have two 9-volts. This looks like it's going to be a little hard to fit in here, but I can try. I'll set the camera down to do this. Pull the tab back. At least the battery connectors aren't corroded.
Yeah, that's good. Wait, did it actually come with batteries in it?
No, it did not.
Oh.
Did yours?
No.
There it goes.
Mine didn't even come with a manual. The only thing it came with was a packet of screws. I don't know why the seller didn't send me one with a manual. Kind of weird.
I can't even get this battery in.
Yeah, it's a little bit complicated. You just sort of have to pull the tab back a little bit.
That's why. Alright, I'm gonna turn the camera off. Okay, we're back. I got the batteries in. It was really tough. Let's close up the cover now.
It was quite the struggle.
Yep. There we go, and let's test it. But first, headphones. Alright. Ready? Are you ready, Jesse?
Yep. Go ahead.
I like how it stops. That's funny.
Yeah, that's the same thing mine does. See, listen.
There's Jesse's.
So it does that little thing at the end.
Yeah, mine does it longer. Actually, you know what?
Well, actually, it usually does it longer than how it just did there.
Lights out?
It did it short than that. It did really short.
There. It lessened out the light. Let's see how this goes. Awesome. Alright, let's put the light back on. Ah! What was that?
Huh?
What was that? I heard a boop, boop.
Oh, that was my phone vibrating.
This thing is actually a little bit bigger. Whoops. Sure. Let's do it without the cover.
No.
Sorry about the shaky.
And that one does a really long period.
Oh, then there's the LED just flashed. I'm gonna do a close-up of the LED once it focuses on it.
Mine only does it for a short amount of time. Compared to that one, at least.
This thing is not wanting to really focus. That's as good as I can do. Let's see how the light works. Let's look at the LED. It actually kind of brightens, but it goes solid. It dies, kind of like the light. There's one last test phase I can do. Any guesses?
Smoke?
Yep! There we go.
I probably have to do smoke detectors. I should probably start doing that.
That was quick.
One of the times I tried to set mine off with smoke, it took forever to get it to go off for some reason.
Test button one, hush it. There it goes. Okay. Now it's doing continuous. There we go.
Might be the batteries you have in it, I don't know. Yeah, for whatever reason, mine took like a million years to go off. Like, when I use it, smoke, it was like really stubborn about it.
It does that if I...
Probably the most stubborn out of all the ones I tried to smoke. What in the world is it doing?
It doesn't die out if I release it really quickly. But yeah, that'll do it for the 500. Let's test it like this, just because. Oop. It's pretty much like the early predecessor to the SA-150B.
That's a pretty bad impression.
And actually, the hinges don't the hinges don't have their grip, but I did a video of testing testing this alarm before. Oh, what the heck! I'll do it again. Hold on a sec. Now I can struggle to get the battery to remove the batteries. Ah! Beep! Ah. One. Oh. Oh, this one, Jesse said before that if you have to have both batteries in order for it to sound, but no, you're wrong, Jesse. If I just do one battery, it'll test, but the light won't activate. What were you saying?
Just in the actual detector part, it wouldn't go off.
I only have
It wouldn't go off
one.
Got it hardened enough.
Okay, those are out. That thing's amazing. It's actually pretty big.
Might have been the battery. I don't know.
Oh, no beep.
Maybe it needed both
I think it just tripped.
parts powered.
Alright, there. And just for the heck of it, here's the 150. Code 3. Alright, that'll do. Thank you for 500 subscribers, and I hope to see you in the next video. That'll be it. Any final thoughts you'd like to say?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Check out Jesse's channel. The link will be in the description below. See y'all.